What's the meaning of bubbles? Bubbles. Bubbles.
Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubbles can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to small, round, air-filled pockets in a liquid or solid that can rise to the surface. For example, soap bubbles are formed when soap molecules surround a pocket of air and create a thin film around it. In a financial context, a bubble refers to a situation where the price of an asset, such as a stock or real estate, rises rapidly and becomes disconnected from its intrinsic value, eventually collapsing and causing significant losses for investors. Overall, bubbles can represent both playful and dangerous situations, depending on the context in which they occur.